Hello everyone, this is Noemi Smith here with Curious Mondo. We made a character ball jointed doll in paper clay in a previous class, and guess what? Now in this class we are going to be learning how to make molds and a resin cast from a doll. Here is the doll we were working on, our beloved Pepita, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to work with silicone. I'm gonna be talking about materials, how to use it, tips, and of course the way how you're supposed to make a full mold, about a mold of the whole doll in pieces, which is everything I have here is all the pieces. We're going to learn the techniques of working a two pieces mold and one piece mold, and some of my tips that I use that I apply to this craftsmanship. And we also going to learn, these are another characters, because once you make your molds you will be able to make as many dolls as you want in resin. We're going to be learning also talking about colors on the resin, and we're going to be going on the bonus classes talking about the machines, but this class is very basic and easy. You don't really need to use the machines. I will be talking about that on the class, and you're just gonna have fun. You can try on your own, you can do something small, you don't need to invest a lot of money on this. And yeah, I hope you guys will have fun. Just get this class and we will learn together, only in Curious Mondo.